What's up guys? So in this video I will teach you market maker models simplified. So you can just watch the full video, and after the video I promise you will understand the whole concepts of market maker models. You will really understand the order flow behind that and the whole idea that belongs into the chart. So let me just start right into it. So right here, this will show you the highs. You can see just like by the zigzag movement, these are the highs. You can mark them out as equal highs. Right here, this is really important. So just mark them out as equal highs because we want to first get to know the basic concepts before I will show you a live example in the chart, and so you can really practice it yourself. So also below these lows, there is liquidity, right? That's why it's yellow for me. So there's sell side liquidity. Okay, so the market goes down and creates new lows, right? You can see it's low, high, lower low, lower high, lower low. And then suddenly there is a higher high right here. So this has, it is a high, right? It took out this high right here. So it's sort of a trend change, right? Before that, there was a trend downwards, which is called the market maker sell model curve. So I will just write it down. Market maker, right? So this is this side, the downwards movement, and then you have the reversal right here. So just a trend change, right? That's just what it is. And then you have the market structure shift because now it's a higher high, but it's supposed to be a lower high because that's what it does in the sell model, right? It's just high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and higher high. It doesn't match the whole structure. And that's the market structure shift. So the structure shifts to the bullish side. Now what it's in place is the market maker buy model, and it's higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and higher high, right? So you can see that the whole trend has shifted and the market structure as well. And this is the market maker buy model curve. Right. So now you have the sell model curve and then the buy model curve. And to profit on these like kinds of market movements, you could buy right around here inside of a fair value gap, which is really important. So fair value gap. Right here, you want to target for the highs and put your stop loss below the low. And this is how to profit from that just out of the aspect of the theoretical part, right? So now we have that, and I want you to screenshot that so you can really look at it in the chart again. And now we're going to go over to the live example. So now just look at this chart. Directly you can see that right here are the highs, the equal highs we talked about, right? So here's the buy side liquidity. And do you notice the same consolidation as in the drawing that I said before? Just look at the drawing again. If you made a screenshot, you can see it. So you can see the same downwards movement. This is the market maker sell model curve right here. And you can really see that this was a Trump crash and everything of this was predictable. And I also predicted it as we were right below here. So everything is predictable with these market maker models. It's the ultimate ICT model that really makes a difference. So right here, you would have, for example, on the 4-hour chart, you would have right here the market structure shift. Then you have the fair value gap, which I talked about, right? And then you have the first retracement, and right here you have the second retracement, and then you have another retracement. So all of this is basically the same thing that I talked about, and you can really make profits just longing either in here, stop loss below here, and always aim for the highs, right? This is the whole idea. So this is on the daily chart, and yeah, you could either do that and stop loss below here, right? So it works really well. But now you will get another example on the 1-minute chart, because it works on every time frame. It's a universal model that you can trade, so you just understand the concept, and then you can really trade it on all time frames, because every market movement is a market maker model. Think about it in a way: if the market is going down, it's in a market maker sell model. If the market is going up, it's in a market maker buy model. And when the market is going sideways, it's just in a consolidation. So these three market movements are always happening on the chart. You have to really notice that. So right here, you will see the same thing. You have the liquidity buff here. Do you see the big consolidation? Then you have the downwards movement. You have the liquidity grab. Took out all the liquidity. There's no liquidity left, no reason to go any further down. Then you have the market structure shift. You see the shift from low, lower high, lower low, lower high, higher low, higher high. You can see that this market structure is now shifting bullish right here. And even though it's not that clean, right? It really isn't, because the last few days haven't been this clean. Right here you can still find your fair value gap, and you still can find your trade and your really good entry right here. Stop loss below the low. This one, it doesn't really matter. Target at the high, and you can see you made your 3R with that. And it's really simple, and it's just as simple as that. What I want you to do to become profitable is I want you to find 10 setups of the same thing on the bullish side and then reverse on the bearish side. You can just do the same on the bearish side, and it's first a market maker buy model and then a market maker sell model. You will find it in every market move. It's always there, and it's never anything else. If the market moves, it's in a market maker model every time. It can't be different. It can't be. You have to really nail that if you want to become profitable. So this was it with my short explanation video. Hope you liked and enjoyed it. Leave a like and subscribe. Bye bye.